También sabíamos hacer música con instrumentos. En todos los festivales actuaba un grupo eléctrico de bachillerato que al mismo tiempo mostraban nuestro buen dominio del inglés o del francés. ¿Qué era? Ya casi ni me acuerdo. A ver, recuerda. Aquel año los de bachillerato tocaron 2 canciones y sonaban más o menos así.
Ahora. Hola. Vale, vamos. Vale. And in town, as one reminds the other for the past, a life lived much too fast to hold on to. How am I losing you? A broken house, another dry month waiting for the rain. But I have been resisting this decay. I thought you'd do the same. But this is all I ever was. This is all you came across those years ago. Now you've gone too far. Don't tell me that I've changed, because that's not the truth. And now I'm losing you. Fragile sound. The world outside just watches as we crawl. The crawl towards a life of fragile line and wasted time. And so I cry as I hold you for the last time in this life. This life I've tried so hard to give to you. What would you have me do? But this is all I ever was. And this is all you came across those years ago. Now you've gone too far. Don't tell me that I've changed, because that's not the truth. And now I'm losing you. Where I used to live was where you stood. You were the only one. Now I see Y bueno, esta es nuestra última canción para este festival de 2015. Look how they shine for you, and everything you do, and it was gone together. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do, and it was all together. So then I took my turn, and all the things I've done, and it was called together. Your skin, oh, your skin involved, turn me something beautiful. You know I love you so. For you I'll keep my seal. And all the things you do, and it was called yellow.